Hey folks, welcome to the Videographer channel. I'm Vlad and I'm videographer. In today's world, whether you are building a personal brand or promoting your business, creating engaging video content has become essential. Hiring a professional videographer is of course one option, but let's be real, not everyone has the budget to keep that going consistently. Content creation isn't just a one-time investment. It's something you will need to produce regularly. And I get it, paying for video production can get expensive fast. So why not learn how to take control of this process yourself and make good quality content without constantly relying on a pro? I promise you it's absolutely possible. There are just a few key skills and tools you need to master. Curious to find out what they are? Let's dive in. First up, you don't need a fancy camera to get started. Your smartphone is more than enough. Most smartphones today have great video quality, but here's the trick: audio is just as important as video, if not more. Viewers are much more forgiving for less than perfect visuals than they are of poor audio. So invest in a wireless mic system. There are plenty of budget-friendly options that connect directly to your phone. This simple upgrade will make a huge difference in how professional your videos feel, and it's super easy to set up. Next, skip the selfie cam. The rear camera on your phone has much better quality, so it's worth flipping your phone around for a sharper, more professional look. Use the front camera only if you're reading a script from a Teleprompter app, for example, more on that in a minute, but if you are filming freely, always go with the rear camera for better quality and more framing options. You will have flexibility with wide, mid or portrait shots, depending on your setting and your distance from the camera. To keep everything steady, you will need a tripod with a phone mount, something simple and reliable like this, for example. To make framing easier, you can place a mirror behind your phone so you can see the shot as you adjust. Just remember to center yourself in the frame, keep your head without leaving too much space above it or opposite, cutting off your forehead. Once you have got your shot frame just right, like this for example, you are all set to start sharing your story. Before we go any further, let's talk about lighting. You don't need to jump straight into buying professional video lights, but steer clear of cheap household LEDs, as they can cause flickering and make skin tones look unnatural. For starters, use natural daylight. The sun is an amazing light source even on cloudy days like today, for example. Position yourself near a window, either facing it directly or at 90 degrees like I'm doing now. The goal is to have even lighting that keeps you as the focal point with no parts of the background appearing brighter than you. As you get more comfortable with filming, you can consider investing in quality video lights, which will give you more flexibility to film at any time, day or night. As promised, let's talk about using mobile teleprompter apps for reading a pre-written script while filming. There are plenty of options in the App Store and Google Play Market, many with the free versions to try. Simply paste your script into the app, start recording on your front camera, and the text will scroll across the screen at your chosen speed. This setup lets you monitor your framing and helps you nail your lines in fewer takes. But remember, front camera quality is generally lower than the rear camera. So if you are comfortable using just bullet points or keynotes to guide you, try to avoid filming with the selfie camera for the best possible quality. And that's about it for the technical side of creating quality social media content on your own. From here, it's all about your creativity and how well your content connects with your audience. Remember, it's not just about shooting high-quality videos, but also about posting consistently. Ideally, aim to create 3 reels per week if you are focusing on Instagram. That means your setup process should be quick and efficient. Don't let it take up too much time. The sooner you can streamline your equipment and setup, the more energy you will have to focus on what you actually want to say to your audience. And don't let the polished videos from top influencers fool you into waiting for the perfect moment to start. It will never come. Begin today with the simple setup we just talked about. Good luck with your projects, guys! If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more. I'm Vlad and I'm videographer. Love you all and see you in the next one.